Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today, or as you can see tonight, we are going to go into Smart & Final Extra. Smart & Final is one of those stores that is a big box store, kind of. Meaning you don't need to have club membership, but you get to buy things in bulk. This Smart & Final has fresh meat section and fresh produce, but we're going in there for that extra, and it's a grand opening, so this should be fun. Let's get started. Here we are at Smart & Final Extra, and here's borax for $4.99. This is 4 pounds. Then we have our OxyClean, $13.99 for a little over 7 pounds. So, right there it says compare and save. So you might want to check on that on your own. Okay, here is baking soda for $2.99 for 4 pounds. And this is a decent size, not as large as what I use, but you're on a budget and you don't belong to any clubs and buy things in bulk, you can cut corners for whatever it is you're doing. Here we have 69 cents for 16 ounces, 1 pound, so that's decent. Then over here, the weekly special of 89 cents, I think because we're in the middle of Thanksgiving, they're dropping prices on things. So this is 99 cents or 89 cents. But of course, for your do-it-yourself projects, I would go with this. And you can't go wrong with that. This caught my eye. Here we have basically the store brand First Street, 5 pounds, $3.99. So for another $1 you get another pound. So you can just figure out the math and see what works for you and your budget. Okay, now here is a soap that soaked, and it's 99 cents. I think that's a pretty fair price. I have yet to use this in my do-it-yourself laundry detergent. I should try it, see how it turns out. Well, that's the end of our shopping excursion. I saw what I could see here at Smart & Final Extra. Hopefully you found this to be helpful. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Until next time.